Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Wednesday, the 12th of July. This is your daily recap. Markets are strong. We had a CPI report this morning that was, well, it was just fabulous. Year over year, it was down over 1%. The market was looking for down 0.1%. That was a huge win. I had one trade today and it was on this, and I made a ton of money there. And then I had difficulties in the morning on the open and I missed some fills. But bottom line is the market looks great. We had a nice 30+ minute ramp here on the SPY. We've traded in a $2.50 range all day, very tight volume, a little bit bigger than the last couple of days. The first hour was very, very busy. And you can see this big gap up we've created now, and now we have a new gap to trade against here. While it may go down and fill that gap, the market remains strong. Now, we do have PPI data tomorrow. Some people out there will say it's more important than CPI. I will say, whatever, to them. We have consumer sentiment and inflation forecast on Friday, which has been trending down. And the market looks great. We're at a new multi-year high here on the SPY, right? So you can open up your candle, look at the 52 weeks and say, yep, new multi-year high here, and look at this move up. And everybody who's been saying bad things about this market, we continue to ramp up here. 450, your next target here. So what was good today? It depended on when you want. I wanted NVIDIA this morning and on that price target raise, and I missed it. And it had a nice move up here. And here we are just shy now of the all-time high of 439.90 and heading right for it. Look how tight the Bollinger Bands are. This one will be on our watch list tomorrow. AMD, nice strong move here. By the way, that 115.30 number I threw out there this morning was a great number. It was resistance for the day. Meta making new highs here, multi-year highs, has a gap fill at 317, room to keep running there. What else was good? CRM, new 52-week high, very strong move on that one. Costco shrugged off that same store sales and took all that weakness and more back. Home Depot raging as well. In short squeeze land, Carvana has been running like a maniac today. Big move there. Same thing with Beyond Meat. They're trying to squeeze these names here. And overall, the names that had run took some rest. Roku taking the day off. SoFi after popping up, same thing. Square, you get the idea. A lot of these names took a break. Tesla remains just relatively weak and out of play, but isn't going anywhere. And that should be pointed out. It's holding in just fine. Even Netflix with a big downgrade this morning, came running right back. Look at this with the markets. Everything seems fine. So, is the SPY extended here? The SPY is maybe starting to get slightly extended here to the upside, maybe a little bit. Is it getting heated? Maybe a little bit, right? The oscillator is just kissing the plus 200 areas here. And, oh boy, Xena today. Sorry about that. And overall, the market looks fine here. We have PPI tomorrow. We'll see if they stick with these big tech names again, or they rotate back into some of the smaller ones. Earnings kickoff tomorrow morning. We have Delta, Conagra, and Pepsi before the open. Then we have the banks and United Healthcare on Friday morning. So things start to get real interesting real fast. Wishing you guys a great night, and I'll catch you guys all in the room on tomorrow morning. If you want to join us, a link in the description below.